In Afrikaans, the straight up word for fire is vuur. But when you want to refer to a forest fire or a house fire, like a blaze, you say a brand. Brand, as a verb, means to burn or to be on fire. Verbrand. Verbrand. That is a verb we use to describe something burning down, something being incinerated. Aan die brand. Aan die brand. Now, literally, that means on fire. You can use it in a literal sense where the house is on fire, and that'll be die huis is aan die brand. But you can also use it figuratively, like you would in English, to say to a person, you are on fire today, when they're doing really well. In Afrikaans it'll be, jy is aan die brand vandag. Aan die brand steek. Aan die brand steek. This is to set something on fire. Aan die brand slaan. Aan die brand slaan. To catch fire. And sometimes we use it figuratively. And we use this phrase a lot in Afrikaans. Ek brand om 'n klap te gee. Ek brand om 'n klap te gee. That simply means I am dying, I'm burning, I'm itching to slap him. Brandbestryder. Brandbestryder. Firefighter. Brandweer. Fire brigade or fire department. Brandweerstasie. Brandweerstasie. Fire station. Brandweerman. Brandweerman. A little bit different from firefighter. This one is fireman. Brandblusser. Brandblusser. Fire extinguisher. Brandslang. Brandslang. Fire hose. Brandstof. Brandstof. Fuel. Brandewyn. Brandewyn. Brandy. Brandmaar. Brandmaar. Very skinny. Brandpowder. Brandpowder. Nappy rash. Brander. Brander. A wave.